XTL 2500 dash mount radio dash mounted. So how do we convert that to remote? Adapter on the head. If the slot's here, if the slot's there, I mean, the slot has to be there if you do that. But for APX, that same trick, $350 for converting a remote to a dash mount. But does the APX fit? Well, here's a dash mount APX. Doesn't fit. More or less, those fit. It's a squeeze. There it is. Dash mounted. So if you get a remote APX, well, that's the $350.